Christmas at Dollar Tree. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so I'm here at Dollar Tree and just want to show you what they have over here. There are a ton of things that you can get at Dollar Tree for Christmas, save you money, and you still be able to celebrate and enjoy Christmas. So let's take a quick tour of Dollar Tree. As you can see over here, they have a lot of decoration items over here. They have more decorations. You have more gift bowls. You have some gift wraps and packaging items down here. Over here you have wall decorations. This one says ho ho ho. So all these over here are just decorations. You can get whichever one you like, and you can modify some of them, or you can just leave them like that and use them to decorate for Christmas. Down here they have more decorations. You have baskets, you have bells, you have different bells or colors over here of decorations. Over here you have more. These are like stakes that you can put in the yard or outside, or you can use them inside, wherever you want to use them. And then over here you have more like Christmas bags, for gift bags and stuff like that. So you can see that they have different variety of these are more just decoration Christmas decorations. They're not really bells, they're just decorations that you could use to at least decorate for Christmas. So up here they have more wall decorations that you can use. You have Santa shop here. You have Merry Christmas, floral decorations over here. Let me know in the comments below if you guys shop, get anything for Christmas at Dollar Tree. I know sometimes you might not be able to find what you're looking for, but at least let me know in the comments below if you do any Christmas decoration shopping, or any shopping at Dollar Tree for your Christmas items. Over here they have some hanging stuff that you can use to hang different Christmas decoration items. You have smaller bells, decoration bells over here. And over here they have even more small decoration items that you could use on your Christmas trees, like ornaments, or you can use it to decorate around the house. And like I said, all this is $1, so they are really cheap. You can spend like $10 and you're able to get quite a few different things to decorate. Over here they have gift containers that you could, if you're gonna give like cookies or whatever you want to put in containers. They have different sizes and different colors that you can buy for $1 and put your gifts inside. So as you can see, they have different colors, different things have different sayings on them, and different sizes. So they have quite a variety of different things that you can get for Christmas, either gifts or decoration or gift boxes or bags. These are smaller containers. And over here on this side you have more Christmas decoration items, like lights, like you have like boxes like these. And down here you have like gift boxes that you could put gifts inside. So like I said, they have different sizes, different design, different colors of Christmas decorations. So they have like a whole row of gift boxes over here, and gift wraps and small boxes up here. You have quite a variety of them. So you have tissue paper, you have wraps, and you can see the whole shop right here. You have quite a few different decoration items. Here they have candy. You have a variety of candies, Lindt, chocolates over here. You have peanut butter over here. This is another variety of chocolate, premium chocolate. And here's the peanut butter. You have Kisses over here. So at least they have a few different variety of candy that you can get for stocking stuffers and other stuff that you can get. You have candy canes down here. So definitely they have a good selection of candy and candy canes and different things that you can put for stocking stuffers. Peppermint patties. So over here, let's see what they have over here. Over here they have stockings over there. They have small toys and small stocking stuffers that you can get over here for kids. You have decoration, head decor. Yep, you have tablecloths over here. So they have just a huge variety of different things and decoration, gifts, stocking stuffers, candy, and they have bowls down here that you can use for Christmas. So for those of you who are new to the channel, please, if you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That helps the channel it helps the channel get more exposure. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. So over here they have cards, Christmas cards over here. They have napkins over there, and they have small decorations over here. They have some books and activity books over here. These are coloring books right here. So these are all like small decorations down here on this side. Activity kits on this side. So check it out. Check your local dollar stores and see what they have. You might get a good selection of things. Right here you have ribbons, you have other activity items that if you want to do it yourself, you can paint the colors that you want. You can make your own and do a combination of things and just color it the colors that you want. So this is a DIY kind of area where you can do your own stuff. And they have ribbons down here for decor. They have Christmas tree decorations right here, and they have flowers over here. So these ones, they have flowers that you could use for decor. And the flowers look really, really nice and bright. Over here they have more Christmas stuff. And down here they have some decor. Different home decoration items that you could use to decorate the home for Christmas. And over here they have mugs, Christmas mugs. Yeah, they have stocking, different variety of stockings over here. And over here you have these are bags that you can put like cookies and other stuff in there. You have more stockings over here. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, everybody.